Australia is launching its international vaccine passport. Australian citizens and permanent residents can now access the country's internationally recognized certificate for overseas travel. The certificates are proof to border authorities around the world that the holder has been vaccinated against COVID-19. In this video, we talk about the Australian government gearing up to open international borders. Check out how you can access your own Australian vaccine passport. But first, we want to thank you for joining us. Find us on all the other social media channels, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click that bell to get notified when we release a new video. We also appreciate your likes and comments below, as it helps to support our channel. Oh, and don't forget to check out our website at immigration-and-migration.com. This video is brought to you by IAM. We believe that travel improves and inspires you and the people around you. We help you travel by providing services which overcome barriers and frameworks that simplify and enrich your experience. We just happen to be immigration lawyers. So reach out to your IAM visa coordinator when you're ready for your adventure, or already on one and would like some assistance. As Australia gears up to allow international travel for its citizens and permanent residents, the federal government is ready to release its international vaccine passport. Individuals wanting to go overseas or return home will have access to an international proof-of-vaccination certificate starting the 19th of October, bringing overseas travel a step closer as the country nears the first major vaccination milestone in the recovery plan. Australians and Australian visa holders who have their COVID-19 vaccinations recorded on the Australian Immunisation Register will be able to download and print out a vaccination certificate and add a digital vaccination passport to their smartphone wallet and compatible apps such as the travel pass used by Qantas and many other airlines. The launch of the international proof of vaccination is a key step towards safely reopening international borders and supporting Australia's COVID-19 economic recovery, said the Federal Minister for Employment, Workforce and Skills, Stuart Robert. The international certificate will be available by accessing the Medicare account through the My Government website, or from directly within the Medicare Express smartphone app. The cornerstone of the paper and digital systems will be a secure QR code, which contains information on the type of vaccine used and the dates it was administered, and which conforms to the new global standard specified by the International Civil Aviation Organization to be used by airlines, airports and border authorities around the world. Government officials said the visible digital seal technology within the international proof of vaccination is world-leading and as secure as an Australian passport. International flights from Sydney are set to resume from the 1st of November, as New South Wales removes the need for fully vaccinated travellers to enter mandatory quarantine, with proof of vaccination being a condition of travel on most airlines, as well as to enter many countries as borders reopen. The removal of the international travel ban means citizens, permanent residents, and their families will be able to leave the country without obtaining special government approval. There will be no caps on overseas arrivals of people who have received 2 doses of a COVID-19 vaccine, recognized by the federal government. Currently, Australia recognises Pfizer, AstraZeneca, Moderna, Johnson & Johnson, Sinovac, and Covishield for international travellers. The New South Wales government said in a media release that overseas arrivals who are not fully vaccinated will be capped at 210 people per week and will be required to undergo mandatory 14 days hotel quarantine. Do you have plans to travel? Talk to us in the comments section below. If you have plans to travel, check out the deals we have found in the description box below. If you need assistance with a visa to Europe, the UK, or the US, including help with securing your travel arrangements, IAM can help. For visa advice, contact your IAM visa coordinator. If you'd like to get more info on travel, visas, immigration, and citizenship, head over to immigrationandmigration.com for more free content. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for more travel and visa updates.